Welcome to our tour of a twin room in the Hotel Gaudi in Barcelona. We booked a twin room and we were surprised by how big it was. In the main bedroom, you have twin beds that were pushed together, with a small table either side of the bed. The room looks like it's been recently modernised. In the living area, there's a desk with a mini fridge below, along with a sofa bed. There's also a wardrobe with some hanging space. There's some shelving and a small safe here. The bathroom is a good size and it's nice and modern. Shower gel and shampoo were provided, as well as a hairdryer by the sink. Overall, we really like this room. It's been nicely modernised and we had a comfortable stay. It's really spacious, and amenities such as tea, coffee and water were provided, which was a nice touch. It has everything you need in a room for a short stay. The hotel also has a great location. It's only a few minutes walk from the Ramblas. If you found our video useful, make sure you give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. It's completely free to you, but it means an awful lot to us. Thanks for watching.